last night, but as you guys can tell, having some fun. Told Marco where I need a sand and with what grit. I thought that was pretty smart. This side as well, and clean up all the little weld and whatnot. Bondo where it needs to be. Gonna paint that under the hood, bumper, fenders, doors, hood. A little bit of rust here. Got my boy Ruben clean me up. Make the holes bigger. I'm gonna put some rust inhibitor later on, as recommended. Oh, still gonna do some little bit of bondo right here. Ain't too bad. Here's my red fender, my primer it, as well as my hatch. My hatch was red. I think it's from the same car. Looks as equally faded. Primer the inside of this too, and paint the inside of this too. Just little details right now, you know? Little details. I'm gonna get a little preview. Oh, let's go to the sun actually. Base coat, clear with some flake, and then just clear with no flake. I'll start cleaning up and get to it. We got some progress here. Starting our first coat of primer on the red fender, just so it's way less white. It's 10:51. Been working my ass off. Got all these primed down, primed up. Everything's ready. Fender's back on, primered. I think front bumper's ready. Whole car is pretty much ready. I just need to primer a few spots here. I don't even want to talk about this. I'm not proud of that, but I need a primer ramp. Fenders are ready. I need to clean up here. Rear bumper's ready. This side's ready. I'm probably just gonna bondo a little bit here and then primer. Alright guys, gotta go on a little trip. I got no plates. Aquí estamos con el Dieguito. What are we doing today?
Some primer. That's about it.
Some white primer all over?
Some white primer with some white clear coat.
Get it ready for next time?
Yeah.
Damn, Pokey Boys.
Just some prep for today.
Well, it's gonna look better than it is. Better than it does, huh? She don't look too bad. That's all little shit. Still cleaner than most clapped S240s out there. Let's see how this looks. Okay. What? No, you good.
Yeah, you got legs.
Thanks, I work out. Everything's all messed up, ready to go. Just need a primer, a few spots still. Primer a lot of spots still. Huh? Oh, nah, we ain't even gonna be famous anyways. Got the ghetto boost going on right here. Good.
Dude, if this was white, it would have been.
Let me see how much paint you got left. After how many coats?
2 and like a quarter. There's
Nope.
literally nothing.
Nothing left.
There's like a little spritz.
Don't worry, I got some white primer. think we pretty much got all of it though. God damn. Well, I think we pretty much got all of it. Looking like primer right now. It's like, alright, you ready to shoot the paint now? I don't even want much. Let's see. What to find out. I'm gonna try to do the best I can, but fucking glitter everywhere. Got a jig over there spraying the clear. I'm gonna try to do my best to mix this. This is gonna be a 4-to-1 for the clear coat to activator. Woo, right at 7. The activator in. Activate that clear. Then we're gonna go again to 7, which is right here. 4 of these to 1 of these.
I'll talk for you since you can't right now. So you just want to grab about a quarter. What we're using right now are dedicated salsa cups.
Cleaner salsa cups. Is that a quarter right there?
Yeah, that looks like a quarter to me.
That looks like about a quarter.
Go ahead and dump that in there.
Okay. And then
And now you want to grab your thicker flake. I believe this is 0.004. And grab about a quarter of the corner in there.
like that.
Yeah, it looks like a quarter to me.
Dump
You
it
want to
in
make
it.
sure you don't sneeze at all. If you
Or
sneeze,
breathe this in.
yeah, if you sneeze, you're done. Look at that. Look at that consistency right there.
Put that at the same time. Man, I'm getting lit off this. Are you ready? Mix it.
Look at that.
Right there.
Yep.
Make some more.
Look at that. Yeah, make a little bit more.
Alright. Whew. Alright. We're a little bit high right now. You're about to go get some food, I think. I think the car is done.
Come show the runs.
I think the car is done. Oh, don't worry, I was about to.
This happens to the best of the best.
No, let me see. I can't see it like that.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there you go. There they are.
This is the Goosebumps edition, so the flake lights it up at night so you don't get scared when you see the Goosebumps.
That's the worst thing about it, though. We'll take that shit off. Easy. I don't even know if I could see the flake. Oh, dude. It's kind of hard. Maybe the light's too bright? I don't know, but...
Nah, I think the flake is just too strong.
The flake... Oh! Don't help, too. And then... Let me see. Oh, this light sucks. I like it. Yeah, that one probably looks better.
Just because it's lighter. You gotta look at it at an angle too.
Yeah. You can't really see the flake on the camera.
You gotta look at it away from
like
the light.
that. Yeah. Ooh, yeah.
Exactly.
Dude, this hood looking so good too. You can't really tell on camera, but sheesh.
Guys, so what you just want to look for is you want to look for all the flake.
Is that ASMR?
Yeah.
When you sand it?
Yeah, you gotta have the block right next to the fucking camera. You gotta follow it with it too. You gotta do it like this.
Ooh, let's do one. Let's do ASMR, and then we spray just
Block sand?
block sanding, fucking Bondo. Ooh, she looks so good. And the fender,
24 hours.
24 hours. Gonna
It'll
come
be
pick it up tomorrow.
Tomorrow you're gonna see it sliding into a wall.
Now it's next Saturday.
So later, like let's say you cut a fender, what we gotta do is take the size of the car, divided by what? An eighth? So you get an eighth of a quarter. 1/32 of flake, and you drop that in there, and then you repaint your fender, and that's it.
Damn, perfect.
That's it.
There you go, mathematician Diego.
I suck at math.
Studying to be an English major. I don't know how. Sheesh. Oh, there you have it, boys. Gonna come take all the mask and shit off tomorrow. See how she looks during the day. Go.
Yeah, because there's you gotta see them.
Hold on, wait for the sun to come out a little bit. Oh shit, I don't even Sheesh. Oh, you can't even see on camera. Yeah, no, yeah, you can. Oh yeah, you can see that shit. Damn, this is too sparkly, dude. This is too glittery. I'll check out them runs, see how they look. Yeah, not too bad. Oh, I can fix this for you.
For me?
I'll fix this for oh, dude, fucking bird shit, dude.
Yeah, I don't know what that was.
Fucking rat shit. Oh no, yeah, look, it's fucking like fucking bird shit.
Oh, it is, huh?
Like that shit came from from outside. Here it is. Damn, this should look way primered yesterday night.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna stop filming here, put everything back together. In the outro.
Alright, you guys saw it here first. I got nothing to say.
Yeah, it's not horrible. Still need to fix this gap. We gotta hit a print cut. Fix that gap a little bit more, but so that she looking good.